Mindfulness is a huge part of Bodhi's belief, but it's a huge part of my belief when it comes to cooking, my philosophy. So being mindful of how we prepare the food, how we eat the food, how the food tastes, and just being aware, because that becomes a soulful way of appreciating the food that we're grateful to have. I think knowing how to cook is such a survivor's tool, and having a toolbox with just those principles to be able to support themselves. I always say this for them too, is that I don't know anything about your past, nor do I need to know, because with me we start here. What would I need if I was at a sober living house? That's really what I try to accomplish. And then a little bit of fun, it's good. Oh my God, he's had a bad day. All right, you know what? Let's put you in something meditative, to do cilantro leaves, to do parsley leaves, to just do something where all you do is something simple to meditate. So it has that holistic approach that Bodhi is huge on, even in the cooking, because it's all about mindfulness. I am I'm a support person for people with mental illnesses. And so for me personally, it's so rewarding to see that this works. Whatever we do at Bodhi works. People walk out of here with jobs. They go back to school. They have a successful life. I think that's really important. It's personal. It is in a way, because I haven't seen it work before, personally. But here it does. And so if I can give back, if this could be one of the ways I give back, then I'm honored and I'm grateful for that.